Good morning everyone. My name is Mijon Armacua from BS CYS 2. Our topic for today is all about cash replacement policies. Here are the objectives for our lesson. First, explore common cash replacement policies, LRU, FIFO, and random replacement. Number 2, understand how each policies works in practice. Number 3, discuss the scenarios where each policy is most effective. What is cache? Cache stores frequently accessed data to improve performance. Why replacement policies matter? When the cache is full, new data needs to replace existing entries. Number 2, effective replacement policies can enhance cache, hit rates, and overall system performance. What is LRU? LRU means least recently used. Okay. Definition: replace the least recently used data in the cache. And how it operates: tracking usage. LRU keeps track of the order in which data was accessed. Replacement logic: when the cache is full, the data that hasn't been used for the longest time is replaced. Practical example: web browser cache. The least recently accessed website are replaced with newly visited ones. Next, scenarios for LRU effectiveness. When it works best: frequent access to recently used data. LRU performs well when programs tend to reuse recently accessed data. Example scenarios: web browsing. Websites that are revisited often benefit from LRU since recent pages should stay cached. File system cache. If you're working on a few files frequently, LRU will keep them in cache while less used files are replaced. Why LRU is effective? LRU minimizes the likelihood of replacing data that will be used again soon, optimizing cache hit rates. Next is, what is FIFO? FIFO means first in, first out. Definition: replace the oldest data in the cache, the first data that entered the cache. How it operates: queue system. FIFO uses a queue to track the order of data entries. Replacement logic: when the cache is full, the item that was cached first earliest is replaced with a new data. Practical example: printer queue. FIFO is often used in scenarios when jobs are processed in the order they arrive, like a printer queue. Next, when is FIFO most effective? Effective in application with uniform of unpredictable access patterns, where there is no clear pattern of which data will be accessed again soon. Example: basic operating system page replacement, very simple caching mechanism. Advantage: simplicity and ease of implementation. No need to track usage pattern. Challenges: can perform poorly in scenarios with temporal locality, as older but frequently used data may be replaced prematurely. Random replacement. Definition: random replacement: randomly select a cache entry to replace regardless of usage or age. How it works: when the cache is full and new data is needed, a random cache entry is selected for replacement. Practical scenario: used when the policies are too complex or in scenarios with highly unpredictable access patterns. Next, random replacement most effective. Effective in application with highly unpredictable access patterns, where it's difficult to predict which data will be needed next. Example: low priority caching, where simplicity is prioritized over performance, or in system where data access patterns are very random. Advantage: simple to implement, minimal overhead compared to LRU or FIFO. Challenges: can lead to suboptimal performance because it doesn't leverage any information about data usage pattern. Next, this time let's try to compare the three types of cache replacement policies. Policy: LRU. Advantage: optimal for temporal locality. Disadvantage: complex to implement, high overhead. B scenario: web browsers, databases, file system. Policies: FIFO. Simple, easy to implement ang iyang advantage. Disadvantage: poor for data with temporal locality. B scenario: basic OS page replacement. Policy: random. Very simple, minimal overhead. Disadvantage: suboptimal performance. B scenario: unpredictable access pattern. So this is the last part. Here is the key takeaway for our lesson. LRU is best for scenarios with strong temporal locality. FIFO is simplest but can perform poorly in certain scenarios. Random replacement is easy to implement but not ideal for high quality performance application. That's all for today, and thank you for listening.